In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to shuffle style suggestions in Canva. If you've ever wanted to refresh a design without rebuilding everything from scratch, this is a quick and reliable way to experiment with new looks while keeping your content exactly the same. Start by opening the Canva design you want to restyle. It can be anything you're working on: an Instagram post, a presentation, a flyer, or a thumbnail. Once you're inside the editor, make sure your design is visible on the canvas so you can instantly see the changes we're about to apply. We're not changing your words or images here. We're only adjusting the overall look and feel. Next, head to the left sidebar and find the Templates section. Inside Templates, select Styles. This is where Canva groups suggested color palettes, font pairings, and full style combinations. Think of it as a wardrobe for your design. Each option bundles coordinated colors and typography that are designed to work together. As you browse, you'll notice options that emphasize clean minimalism, bold contrast, or playful color. Use this area to quickly explore different vibes for your project. When you're ready, click any style combo to apply it across your design. Canva will instantly switch your fonts and recolor elements to match the selection. Headers, subheads, and body text pick up the new typefaces, while shapes, lines, and backgrounds adopt the new palette. Images and photos stay the same, so your core content remains intact. If something doesn't seem to change, it may be using a custom color or be locked. Otherwise, you should see a cohesive transformation right away. If you like the palette, but want to try different placements of those colors, shuffle within the same style. Simply click the same palette again, or hover over it and use the shuffle icon. Each click cycles the way colors are assigned throughout your design. Maybe your background color switches with an accent color, or button colors rotate to create better contrast. This is perfect for finding a combination that improves readability, balances emphasis, or brings the right element forward without changing the palette itself. Keep shuffling until the arrangement feels right. Because the palette stays consistent, your design will remain unified while you fine-tune which elements pop. And if a shuffle goes too far for your taste, you can always reverse it with a quick undo. That's it. Open your design, head to Templates, choose Styles, apply a combo, and then shuffle the palette to dial in the look. It's a fast, flexible way to elevate your Canva projects with professional color and type in just a few clicks.